Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I will showcase my previous Facebook ads work. So basically, it is a Facebook pixel setup work. So it will be very useful and very important for Facebook ads. So for this, I have implemented the Facebook pixel in a website. It is basically a WordPress website. So at first, let's see my Google Tag Manager dashboard. After that, I will show you the events manager and the website. So let's start from the Google Tag Manager. Here you can already see the Google Tag Manager. So at first, I'll show you Facebook page view. Here, this is the beginning of my setup work. So I have set up the Facebook pixel. Here is the pixel ID. Just remember this. I will show you in the later part. Now I have simply set up the page view event. After that, there is also another event called Facebook view item. So this is the Facebook page view, and let's find. There is lots of event I have implemented, so you just have to find the thing. Sorry, here is the view content. Sorry, for Facebook it is called view content. So here is the view content, and here is the pixel ID, same pixel ID, and I also sent the property name and property value. I used dynamic value to track this. Then I have sorry, I have set up the trigger. After that, I also set up add to cart. Okay, I have to find it. FB add to cart, but I think I have not done this or somehow deleted this. So just find it manually. And I guess I have not done this, so I will do this later. Another one is initiate checkout. Here is the initiate checkout tag. I also done this with the Facebook pixel, and here I have installed this through a variable. We can check the variable from here. Let's see the Facebook variable. Search pixel. Here is the pixel ID. Okay, so I also sent the required data from here. Every type of data is sent dynamically, so it is always changing, ever changing. Anyway, no changes here. Now let's find purchase. I have done the FB purchase tag. This is also implemented by me. The purchase tag. Here is the all value, and it is the trigger. So let's show you the triggers. Here is all the triggers I have done. Purchase trigger. There is lots of trigger, but I just showing you this the Facebook items, view item, add to cart trigger, and I showed purchase trigger anyway. Now variables. I have used lots of variables here, and all the variables I used with custom JavaScript, so that the value can be tracked dynamically. Here is lots of variables. This items is needed to track the value dynamically, and also to improve the Facebook pixel score. there is a score. I will show you now. This is the Facebook Business Manager, and we can see that this is the pixel ID. Now Facebook calls this dataset ID. Anyway, so here we can see the score. I don't know they are now showing it or not. If not, no problem. We can just now paste the event, websites event. We paste the website here, open this, and we can see it will process a page view event. Now if we visit any kind of website, then it will also process another event. Here you can see view content event. Now let's visit this page. This happened a view content. Now let's click add to cart. Anyway, it will give you the parameters also: value, currency, content ID, and content type. This is the Facebook recommended values that are important to track or send to Facebook. Now I have done add to cart, but I said that I somehow deleted the add to cart tag, so I will have to do that. Okay, let's just do this in this video. For that, I have done the view item. Anyway, I will do it later, no problem. Now view cart. It will do a page view event. Go to proceed checkout. It will make a initiate checkout event. After I will fill the details, it will just fire a purchase tag. You can see the events here also. Sorry, here this is another pixel I have implemented earlier. So if I place order, this is my demo account, so no problem. We can see the purchase tag just fired. uh, if we come here, we can also see the purchase tag, and here is event data, event ID, value, USD, content ID. Every item we send to Facebook, this is all here. So this is coming perfectly. Thank you very much for listening to me, and we will see you in another videos. Thank you.